A very happy morning to my lovely kids. Today we will be studying science. In the last class we studied about health, what is health, importance of health, and we studied about nutrients. We started with carbohydrates. So this class is the continuation of our last class. Today we will be studying about, let's see. Yes, today we will be studying about proteins. So what proteins do for us? Why should we take proteins? Proteins helps us to grow. Let's see. Yes, as you can see here, we are all born as a small baby, right? हम एकदम छोटे बेबी जैसे होते हैं, एकदम क्यूट. फिर क्या होता है? As the time increases, as the year pass, we become big. Our height gets increased, our weight get increased. Now a question might arise, मैम हम तो अपने आप बड़े हो जाते हैं, इसमें प्रोटीन ने हमें कैसे हेल्प किया ग्रो करने में? हाँ, let's see. See children, our body is made up of cells. हमारी पूरी बॉडी सेल्स की बनी होती है, ठीक है? And each and every cell of our body contains protein. ठीक है, हमारा हर एक सेल प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होता है उसमें, इसलिए प्रोटीन हेल्प्स अस टू ग्रो. क्लियर? ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन नीड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. इट मीन्स दैट यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. आपको प्रोटीन की बहुत ज़रूरत है. व्हाई यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन? You might be doing this at home, right? You might be measuring your height और फिर आप बताते होंगे हमारी हाइट इतनी बढ़ गई है. We have increased this much in our height. Your strength is also increasing, right? Why? Because you are in your growing period, and that is why you need lot of protein because of your growth requirement. Okay, children? Now see, children. Science is not about mugging up the answer and writing down in your worksheet and I will be checking it. It's not. It is not limited to that. Real study is that when you incorporate these things in your real life. So you should drink milk daily. You should not be choosy in your foods that I don't want to eat this, I don't want to eat that. मम्मी मुझे दूध नहीं पसंद, मैं नहीं पीऊँगी. ऐसा नहीं करना हमें. हमें मालूम है कि growing children needs lot of protein. It means that you should incorporate these things in your life. Then I can say that you have studied science and my children are brilliant. Okay? Protein also help to build muscles. They strengthen our muscles and repair the damaged tissues of our body. Now you might be wondering that what is damaged tissues? See, as you can see here, this is a finger, right? A wound is shown. एक चोट दिखाई है यहाँ पे जब हमको लग जाती है. देखो बच्चों, हमारी बॉडी बनी होती है पूरी सेल्स की, and a group of cells is known as tissues. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर एक टिश्यू प्रेजेंट है और जब हमें लग जाती है तो वो टिश्यू क्या हो गया? डैमेज्ड हो गया. ये मतलब होता है डैमेज टिश्यू का. अब जैसे ही ये वुंड हील होता है, व्हेन द हीलिंग ऑफ वुंड स्टार्ट्स, एज यू कैन सी ग्रेजुअली द वुंड इज हीलिंग. व्हाट हैपेंस इज दोज सेल्स व्हिच आर गॉट डैमेज्ड, इट गेट्स रिपेयर्ड. न्यू सेल स्टार्ट्स फॉर्मिंग and we know that each and every cell of human body contains protein, and this is how protein helps to repair the damaged tissue. Food rich in proteins are also called body building foods. See children, this is a wall, okay, and this wall is made up of bricks. Can you see? So we say that this wall is made up of bricks. See here, these two children, Inni and Mini, okay, they are building a man, and this man is made up of blocks, playing blocks. Children, our whole body, our hairs, our bones, our nails, everything is made up of proteins, and that is why proteins are known as body building food, because our whole body is made up of proteins. Eggs, fish, meat and pulses are rich in proteins. What do we mean by rich in proteins? It means that they are a good source of protein. If we will take these things in our diet, we will get protein from them. Protein is finished. Now we will study about the next nutrient, that is fats. Fats are the richest source of energy in our diet. They are the richest source of energy. It means that they give maximum amount of energy to us. They give us more energy than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also give us energy, but fat gives more energy than carbohydrate. Suppose I consume equal quantity of carbohydrates as well as of fats. Tell me, in which I will get more energy, from carbohydrates or fats? Yes, you are correct. From fat I will get more energy. Why? Because they are the richest source of energy and they give us more energy than carbohydrates. They keep us warm. How the fats keep us warm? See children, under our skin there is a thin layer of fat, and that fat protects us from the cold around us. This is how fat keep us warm. What do fat do for us? Fat keep us warm, yes, but too much of fat can make us very fatty. Food rich in fats are also called energy giving food. Why? Because fats are the richest source of energy. That's why they are known as energy giving foods. Butter, ghee, cooking oils and nuts are rich in fats. And one good news, chocolate is also food high in fats. Chocolate, nuts and seeds, avocado, fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, all these are high in fats. Our body needs a very little amount of fat, okay? And children, anything in excess is harmful for us, right? So if we take a large amount of fat, it will be harmful to us. Why? Because it can attract some diseases to us. As you can see, it causes many diseases. What type of diseases? You can get diabetes, you can get heart stroke if the amount of fat is high in our diet. So we should take a limited quantity of fats. See, this is a fatty man, can you see? And what is shown? The heart is in trouble. So if we increase the quantity of fat in our diet, we can invite these diseases in our life. So we should have the proper amount of fat in our diet. So this was it, but the class doesn't finish here. I will ask a rapid fire round to you. It means I will ask only 3 questions to you. You have to answer very fast, within 3 seconds, okay? No cheating. Come on. Name 2 protein rich foods. Time over. Name 2 fat rich foods. Time over. Tell me, who will provide me more energy? Carbohydrates or fats? Okay. Those who have answered very well, well done. And those who have not answered me, no problem. Go through the video again. Study well. Take rest. May God bless you.